take this spark plug out. So what I'm going to use is 14 mm to take that thing out. It goes like this. These two changed. This is the third one, so this is shorter in size. I'll drop it like this and then unscrew. So on this video I'll show you how to take this spark plug. My socket is a bit shorter in length, so I'll show you how to take it out even if you don't have a right length socket. So that socket and spark plug came all the way out, so I'm going to use my long nose pliers to take this thing out, and then same thing with the spark plug. Here you go. So this is out. So I'm going to put the new one in. New. Same thing. Socket. This is tight, so I can't use the long nose pliers now. So what I'm going to use the magnet from my torchlight. It's out. So this is how I did the spark plug.